Hello everyone, this is Vishwajit Burman from Gossip Funda. Welcome back to our Git and GitHub series. In this video, we covered what is Git Branch and the use of Git Branch as well as the commands of Git Branch. Now, before we go to our commands, let's understand what is branch. Branch is a copy of our main repository. We can say duplicate copy of our main repository folder. Now, what is the use of branch? That first we already know that it is a copy of master branch or main branch. It provides us a secure folder. Let's start with commands. As we know that Git branch is a copy of main repository. Let's go to our Gossip Funda folder. Here, open the Git bash. Now type Git branch for check that how many branch we have in our repository. Here we have one only. For now creating a new branch, for that Git branch and then branch name, like I give it Gossip Funda. Let's create new branch, and for checking again Git branch, we have the two branches, one master and Gossip Funda. Why master is in green? Because we are presently working on master branch, that's why it's in green, and we have a star in front of master branch. We have a star where star is defined as a that we are in master branch. Now for change the branch, we have command that git checkout and then branch name. We have over Gossip Funda and then enter. We switch to our Gossip Funda branch for checking that switching or not, switched or not. We have git branch. Now the Gossip Funda is in green and we have star in front of Gossip Funda branch. And now let's switch again in master branch. Git checkout and master. Now check the branch, git branch. We are in master branch. Now let's delete this Gossip Funda branch. For that we have a git branch -d and then branch name. Gossip Funda and enter. Oh sorry, $IP FUNDA. Now it's so that the Gossip Funda branch was deleted. Now let's again check git branch. We have only the master branch. The advantage of creating branch that if we change in our second branch, that doesn't affect in our main branch or master branch. It kept in the second branch we have that created. If we want to change from second branch to first branch, we have to push the recent file to in master branch. After that it change in master branch. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to put your queries in our comment box, and check out our Gossip Funda blog for more interesting topic. Link in the description box. Please check out. Thank you.